Alright guys, just want to show you the tensioner for your auxiliary belt on a Volvo XC90. This is the D5 engine 2009 model. I know there's a few videos on YouTube about this now, but there's not one that covers this particular part. So this one here, the part number is 3125121, and yeah, it's been a bit of a pain to get this one out, to be honest. You can't get to the bottom bolt from the top here. I managed just to get a ratchet in there and undo the nut, but there's no way to get my hand down, so in the end I had to turn this wheel here full lock to the right and then get underneath and pull these panels back, and I was able to get to the bottom out that way. That was quite easy actually, and you know, didn't have to jack the car up or anything. But secondly, this part doesn't come out from the top. There's just no space. There's no way of getting that one back down there, so it has to go in from the side again. And it was a bit of a wiggle to get this one out, so yeah. So I'm going to have a go at trying to get this new one back in. The reason I'm changing this is because on start up I'm getting a right squeak. But looking at it now, it might be this power steering pump, because there's a bit of a leak. And a little bit of a rattle when that turns. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. Right, I'll just show you this. When I was putting the new one in, which I've done now. But basically, you want to put this in sideways like that, up, and then as it goes in, you twist it round. That's the only way I found to get that back in there and to get it out. So once you've undone it and it drops, spin it while it's in there, and then you have to wiggle it about, and eventually it comes out. So yeah, it's quite tight. I was getting a bit worried it wouldn't come out, but it did. So yeah, and you can only really get to the bottom nut from here, but I didn't need to jack the car up. I'll just turn the wheel all the way out. I've got that there. Oh, and the other thing is, these nuts are 10mm. Right, top and bottom 10mm. So are the plastic nuts that hold this plastic covers. Alright.